When it comes to overseas money transfer, two names stand out: Instarem versus Wise. Both are renowned for low-cost, fast international remittance, but their differences matter when you're sending money abroad. How to use Instarem. Visit www.instarem.com. Sign up with your email, complete KYC verification using ID proof, link your bank or debit card, and you're ready. Enter recipient details, choose the amount, and hit send. You'll get live FX rates and estimated delivery time before confirming the transfer. Wise, formerly TransferWise, available at www.wise.com, works similarly. You register, verify your identity, link your bank or payment method, and send money by entering recipient details. You get the mid-market exchange rate with no markup. Instarem typically charges 0.25% to 1% of the transfer amount, depending on the corridor and method. Wise uses a transparent fee model, usually between 0.3% to 0.6%, displayed up front. Here are the top 10 unique Instarem features and benefits that you might find interesting. Earn Instapoints with every transaction. Convert Instapoints to real money discounts. Cashback on specific corridors. Exclusive business FX hedging tools. Instant customer support via WhatsApp. Secure biometric login system. Scheduled transfers for regular payments. Multi-user approval system for corporates. Integration with accounting software such as Xero and QuickBooks. And finally, there's a refer and earn program available in over 20 countries. Now let's talk about Wise. Here are the top 10 unique Wise features and benefits that are not commonly found online. Real-time rate alerts via mobile. Multi-language support across continents. Debit card for global spending with zero markup. Travel expense tracking built-in. Batch payments for freelancers and SMBs. Virtual IBANs in over 10 currencies. WiseJar lets you save funds separately inside the same account. Borderless balance sharing via QR code. FX lock for 24 hours during market volatility. And for volume users, a personalized business account manager. If you're comparing Instarem versus Wise, Instarem wins on rewards and corporate features, while Wise wins on pricing transparency and account flexibility. Choose wisely based on your priority, rewards or real-time rates.